Welcome to Reaction Land. I am your host, John Marshall. If you're new to the channel, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified of future upcoming videos. Alright folks, Marc Martel has put out a brand new video today on YouTube. Let's check it out. It's called Magnetic. Let's do this.
Make it so, number one.
This is a song I wrote with Dave Barnes. Some of you may know Dave. He's a great singer-songwriter here in Nashville. And we got together, 2013, I think, and wrote this song together. I came to him with the chord progression and the basic melody, and I'd been toying with it for a while, just didn't really, wasn't really sure where to take the song lyrically and all that stuff. And so he helped me finish this song. It's called Magnetic, and it's just a straight-up love rock song. Close as a kiss on a pair of lips, breath on your neck and the sway of your hips. Oh, as far as the sea on the Orient shore, every new moment I'm missing you more. True or off track, I always know what to do. Something leads me right back to you, like the moon changing the tides of the sea. It's drawing you closer to me. It's magnetic. The North Star pulling me straight to your heart. The power between you and me. It's magnetic.
I love it.
The push and the pull, it's the way it goes. Living in the tension, baby, we both know. I'm weak where you're strong, strong where you're weak. Takes two together now to make it complete. Oh, baby, we know that lovers and tragedy are just gonna do what they do. Something leads me right back to you, like the moon changing the tides of the sea. It's drawing you closer to me. It's magnetic. And the North Star pulling me straight to your heart. The power between you and me. It's magnetic. Magnetic. Nothing but love will come between us. Oh, nothing in the world will tear you away. Nothing but love.
Let's pause right there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a timeless, very timeless song. I know I said this in the last video of Simply Red, but this is a fantastic example of a newer song that has a timeless sound to it. Yet it has Freddie Mercury's signature all over it, even though he had nothing to do with it.
The audacity.
This is something that just blows me away every time.
How about frickin' no?
This song could have been out of the 70s, out of the 60s. It has a magnetic personality. Magnificent, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta give it up for him. Love you, Mark. Let's get back to
Oh, nothing but the world will tear you away. chasing the tides of the sea. It's drawing you closer to me, like the North Star, pulling me straight to your heart. The power between you and me, it's magnetic, magnetic, it's magnetic.
Oh, I love it. Absolutely gorgeous.
Yes.
That's Magnetic, and it's on my album Impersonator, available on the website, markmartelmusic.com. And produced by the great John Fields, who produced that whole album. And that was a lot of fun. I recorded that in 2014, I believe. Spent a few weeks in LA, just hanging out at John's studio and really having a blast. It's one of the most exciting recording experiences of my life, because we got in the studio, and he's an amazing producer and he works so fast. So that was a really great time in my life, and that album is still available and I'm still proud of it. All right, here we go. A machine of a dream, such a clean machine.
Nice.
With the pistols a popping and the hubcaps all gleam. When I'm holding your wheel, all I hear is your gear, and my hand on your grease gun. Ooh, it's like a disease, son. I'm in love with my car. Got a feel for my automobile. Get a grip on my boy racer robot. Such a thrill when your radio squeal. Tell my girl I'd have to forget her. Rather buy me a new carburetor. So she made tracks saying, this is the end now. Cars don't talk back, they're just for weird friends now. When I'm holding your wheel, all I hear is your guitar. When I'm cruising in overdrive, don't have to listen to no run-of-the-mill talk jive. I'm in love with my car. Got a feel for my automobile. I'm in love with my car. String that love in my automobile. That went remarkably well for the first time ever performing a song.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's my show for tonight. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you really like Marc Martel, please check the link down below. And check out Impersonator. What a great album.
Yes.
We're slowly but surely getting around to the songs off of that album. And on the next show, we're going to be doing Stalemate, another request for my good friend Guido. Till the next time we meet, God bless you.
Larry Fine, Larry Fine, Why, you nit... Shemp Howard, Shemp Howard, Shemp...
What's the matter with you?
Mo Howard, Mo Howard, Mo...
What are you guys looking at? Get out of here.
I don't know if you know this already, darling, but you look marvelous.